presenting the Jeep 2019 Renegade Latitude. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include quick order package 2XB included, engine 2.4 Li40 EVAP MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, Omaha orange clear coat, black premium cloth bucket seats, wheels, 18-inch x 7.0 inches painted aluminum included, tires 225/55 R18 all-season, manufacturer's statement of origin, tires, 225/55 R18 all-season, transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, STD, engine, 2.4 Li40 EVAP MAIR, STD, and front-wheel drive. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today.